degrees of comparison. Look at these plants. Can you tell the difference between the three plants? We see that this plant is tall. The one next to it is taller. And this one here is the tallest of them all. Here, the adjectives tall, taller, and tallest are used to compare the three plants. Sometimes we want to compare things, persons, animals, or places. For such comparisons, we use different forms of adjectives. These different forms of adjectives are called steps or degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison, that is, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let us first learn about positive degree. The positive degree of an adjective is used to simply describe a person, place, animal, or thing. No comparison is made in positive degree. For example, this apple is sweet. Here, sweet is the positive or the simplest form of the adjective. The adjective sweet is used to describe the noun apple. It is not used for comparison. Now, let us learn about comparative degree. The comparative degree or form is used to compare only two things, people, animals, or places. Usually, the comparative degree of an adjective is formed by adding er to the adjective. Comparative form is always followed by For example, adjective is formed by adding Now, let us learn about, for example, grapes are sweeter than apples. Here, the adjective sweeter is the comparative form of the adjective sweet. The word sweeter is formed by adding er to the adjective sweet. It is used to compare two fruits. Also, we can observe that sweeter is followed by than. Now, let us learn about the superlative degree. The superlative degree or form is used to compare more than two things, people, animals, or places. Usually, the superlative degree of an adjective is formed by adding est to the adjective. We always use the before the superlative form of an adjective. For example, mango is the sweetest of all fruits. Here, the adjective sweetest is the superlative form of the adjective sweet. The word sweetest is formed by adding est to the adjective sweet. It is used to compare more than two fruits. Also, note that the is used before the superlative form of the adjective. Some examples of degrees of comparison are cool, cooler, coolest, short, shorter, shortest, great, greater, greatest, young, younger, youngest, fast, faster, fastest, dark, darker, darkest.